And now I here call upon our students studying in 7th and 8th class for welcome dance by our lives.
our school had tie-up with Marshall Cavendish, Singapore Prime Online, Learn Up with F19 Innovative Solution. We can proudly say that JSM Educational Society is unique, which encourages joyful and fun-oriented global learning experience.
First of all, I would like to pray our model personality, who is very botanist by nature and altruistic, is none other than our revered chairman, sir, Sri N. Ramesh Rao Garu, to come and decorate the dance. Now I request our student Pragya to come and honor with a bouquet.
Thank you, sir. Now, I'd like to take the opportunity to call for our guest of honor, unflagging and projectile by nature and JD Warangal, Sri R. Surender Reddy Garu, to come and decorate the dance. Now, I request Sucharita to come and honor our guest with bouquet.
Private Schools Association. Magnanimous, virtuous and vigorous throughout his life is none other than our well-wisher, secretary and correspondent of St. Peter's High School, Sri Narayan Reddy Garu, to come and decorate the dance. To come and honor our guests.
Very compassionate, strong-nosed and projectile personality, he is none other than President of Vaduksa, Sri K. Bhupal Rao Garu. Come on to the dance. Now I request Sahiti to come and honor our guest with bouquet.
Now let us start today's program with Sri R.J.V. Warangal, Sri R. Surender Reddy Garu to perform Jyoti Prajwalana, and I request all our guests also to involve in this. To invite very meek and amicable and assistive administrative director of JILS, చిన్నారులు
Principal Mrs. Pragati Garu to give valuable message.
Secretary Correspondent of St. Peter's High School, Sri Narayan Reddy Garu, Warangal Private Schools Association President, Sri K. Bhupal Rao Garu, an unstained personality, father and founder of JSM Educational Institutions, Sri N. Ramesh Rao Garu, Director of JSM Educational Institutions, Sri P. Papai Garu, most respectable parents, dear teacher colleagues, and my dear students, a very warm afternoon wishes to you all. JSM Educational Institutions have completed successfully 2 decades in molding the future citizens for their fruitful results, which were already proved by the outgoing batches all these years. JSM is the standpoint for the quality education. Not only that, ours is the first school in the Tri-Cities which have introduced the IIT education. Other than that, we also taken the first place in the countrywide in introducing the online education by our tie-up with the Marshall Cavendish Online Education Company, which is Singapore-based company. Not only that, we also stood in the first place in introducing the tabs for the students. On this dais, I thank all the parents who are encouraging the management to introduce all the new things and supporting us in each and every event. Generally, the word online education, by thinking the word online education, every one of us are in a wrong dilemma that just here. Through this online education, we have taken a software which is supporting us to do our own lesson plan, which is related to our textbooks. In that, we are composing a lesson plan, teachers are creating the discussions, other than discussions, subject related games, and also at the ending of that, a test will be conducted. A lesson plan includes all this, through which a student, without opening the book, he is seeing the video clipping, he is knowing the activity, he is performing the activity. All the rules and regulations to do the activity are also very clearly mentioned in that. Not only the student at the 13th level, means after completing the intermediate from last 2 years, even in the AIEEE online examination was introduced. But JSM Educational Institutions are introducing the online test for the students right from the first class onwards. The student who doesn't know the basics of the computer in our school is in a position to perform the online examination. First, in introducing the IIT education in the Tri-Cities, not only introducing the IIT, but also we are proving the IIT ranks. In the Grand Test 1, which was conducted by the SPACE, Society for Promotion of Academic Excellence in the Schools, which is associated with Chukka Ramaya Garu. In that Grand Test, our students right from 6th class to 10th class they have banned for every class more than 25 ranks below 100 ranks statewide. I'm really very proud to announce this. Next thing, Secretary, Honorably I invite sir. Of the talent test, C.H. Ramakrishna of 10th class and also Supraja of 8th class have banned prizes in the talent test which was conducted on the optional subjects, that is mathematics, physics and also chemistry. This is all possible only by the groundwork of our eminent, efficient and dedicated staff members. Not only that, G. Sai Gopi of 9th class have bagged first place in essay writing competitions which were conducted by the Rotary Club, which was conducted throughout the district. All the schools from the district have participated in this program. Even in the name of the Warangal district flies high in the sky. As an example, I want to say you few of our victories in the year 2012-13. Karthik of 10th class participated in the international football which was held at Rajasthan. K. Bhavani of 9th class have participated in the national SGFI tennis cricket competition. 4 girls of 9 were selected for the state level cricket competitions. Srikanth and Prashant of 10th class have participated in the SGFI state level football competitions. Aravind Reddy and Rajesh of 8th class were selected for the state level football. Second place in the city zone volleyball and also the Kho-Kho. C.H. Nikhil of 5th class won the bronze medal in the state level karate and kung fu competitions. Along with the study and sports and games, we also give equal priority for all the cultural activities. As an example, our students have proved themselves in the Srujanotsavallu which were conducted latestly in the Warangal district. M. Amulya of 7th class won the second place in the folk dance as well as the classical dance. In the drama competitions, both the branches of Hunter Road and Ursugutta have sequentially bagged first and second prizes. Geetika of 8th class have achieved first place in the singing competitions in Srujanotsavallu. Vanshi of 7th class bagged first place in the photography competitions. We give utmost priority to develop the communication skills among the students. As a part of it, where we are conducting the elocution competitions every week in the class by announcing the topic. The students themselves, now they are in a situation to search the topics themselves in the internet. They are creating the topic, they are searching by themselves, they are not taking the support of even the staff members. Soon after the announcement of the topic, they are asking permission to enter into the lab. They are opening the internet, wanted topic they are searching, and they are speaking very fluently and efficiently, where they are developing the communication skills. On this auspicious
Honorable dignitaries on the dais and most respected parents and teachers and my dear students, good afternoon to everybody. Today we are conducting 20th annual sports meet and cultural fest 2012-13. Every year we are conducting this festival as a custom. This year we got so many achievements. It is a proud to say our chairman ఈజ్ ద పర్సన్ టు లుక్ ఆఫ్టర్. అన్ని విధాలు ఉన్నటువంటి పేరెంట్స్ అందరికీ కూడా హృదయపూర్వక ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. ఏ టైం అనకుండా వాళ్ళ యొక్క పిల్లల్ని సరి అయిన టైంలో సరి అయిన ప్లేస్కి పేరెంట్స్ చేరవేయడం మాకు ఎంతో గర్వంగా ఉంది. ఏదైనా కూడా ఈ క్రెడిట్ మా యొక్క జేఎస్ఎం ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ పేరెంట్స్కి మాత్రమే పోతుందని నేను సభాముఖంగా తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. అదేవిధంగా మా ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారు చెప్పినట్టు ప్రతి యాక్టివిటీలో ప్రతి స్టూడెంట్ ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ తప్పకుండా ఉంటుంది. ప్రతి స్టూడెంట్ యొక్క ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ రకంగా మేము ఇన్ని అచీవ్మెంట్లు, మాకు ఇంకా ఎంతో చరిత్ర ఉంది. ఒక్కొక్క పిల్లవాడు 10th అయిపోయిన తర్వాత కాలేజీలలో పోయిన తర్వాత సార్ ఈ విధంగా చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది, ఈ విధంగా చెప్పిస్తే బాగుంటుంది, ఇలాంటి సజెషన్లు కూడా మా పిల్లలు ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. అదేవిధంగా మా చైర్మన్ గారు సైన్స్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్లలో కానీ టీచర్లను మార్చడం జరుగుతుంది. అదేవిధంగా వారి యొక్క కోరికలను తీర్చడం జరుగుతుంది. ఇది ఒక జేఎస్ఎం ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ మాత్రమే ఈ ఘనకార్యం దక్కుతుందని సభాముఖంగా తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. అదేవిధంగా మేము సాధించినటువంటి విజయాలు, మేము ఇక్కడ ఈ స్కూల్లో 2006-2007 సంవత్సరంలో స్థాపించడం జరిగింది. 2006 నుండి 2013 వరకు మేము సాధించిన విజయాలకు లెక్క లేకుండా ఉన్నాయి. మేము అవి చెప్పుకుంటూ పోతే ఇక్కడ సమయం సరిపోదు. అదేవిధంగా నాకు అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన పెద్దలకు కృతజ్ఞతలతో ముగిస్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ అనంట.
To invite our well-wisher Sri Narayan Reddy Garu to give valuable message. Welcome, sir.
Mishra Garu, Chief Guest of the program, RJD School Education Dr. Surendra Reddy Garu, State Association President Shesh Garu, District Association President Gopal Rao Garu, Principal Garu, అలాగే ఈ పాఠశాల డైరెక్టర్ గారు, తోటి ఉపాధ్యాయ మిత్రులు, ప్రియ తల్లిదండ్రులు, వారిని మించి విద్యార్థి మిత్రులారా, ప్రెస్ మిత్రులారా, నిజంగా నా అదృష్టం ఈ పాఠశాల జేఎస్ఎం పాఠశాల స్థాపితం నుండి ఈ పాఠశాలతో దగ్గరి సంబంధం ఉంది. ఇది మీరంతా కానీ దగ్గర నుండి కనుక చూసినట్లయితే, ఏస్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ మీరు మాట్లాడుకుంటారా, మనం అందరం కలిసి మాట్లాడుకున్నామా? అందరం కలిసి మాట్లాడుకున్నామా? వెరీ గుడ్. అందరం కలిసి మాట్లాడుకుందామంటే గ్రౌండ్లో మాట్లాడుకోవాలి, ఇక్కడ మాట్లాడాలంటే ఒక్కరే మాట్లాడాలి. వింటున్నారు కదా? మీరందరూ ఆడుకుంటున్నారు కదా? మీ గ్రౌండ్ ఉందా? ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? ఆడుకుంటున్నారా? ఏం ఆడుతున్నారు? వెరీగా ఓడిపోవడానికి కదా? అందరు గెలుస్తున్నారా? ఎవ్వరు ఓడిపోవట్లేదా? అయితే మీ పీటీ సార్ రాని. ఎందుకంటే ఏ గేమ్ అన్నా కానివ్వండి, ఓడిపోయిన